Ma'am, you have it.
It will be 0. So how many terms are there? Four basic terms in division: divisor, dividend, quotient, remainder. Divisor, dividend, quotient, remainder. Divisor, it comes outside, inside expression or number that is bigger, it is all called dividend. The top we get answer, it is called quotient, and at the end we get result in the form of 0, it is called remainder. Not every time, but in your questions, in the basic questions, you will get 0 answer. Now move to the question. Erase this and then now I'm going to start with the there are if you see a house has how many stories? Can a house can have 3 stories, 3 portions, 3 floors. First is ground floor, and then if I draw a house or a flat or a building, it has first ground floor, then first floor, then second floor, and so on. Similarly, in division we have stages. We call stages. This is called stage 1. Okay, stage 1. For stage 1, for every stage, we will repeat the same steps. For every stage, we will repeat the same steps. The first one is, okay. Now, what you have to do, you will forget about, only see this, the first term of dividend inside the first term outside divisor. First term inside, first term outside. Only see this, number one step. Take the dividend because it has bigger power and divisor will come down every time. When you divide, the powers will be subtracted. A, you get A. Now, when you get this answer, this is A, what you will do, you will take the divisor outside term, expression, both terms. In the first step, you will take only one term, the first one, inside and outside. In the second step, you will take the divisor if it carries three terms, if it carries two terms. In this question, there are only two terms. So it is called the first full expression outside A plus B. Now multiply by A. Multiply by A. When you multiply by A square plus plus A multiplied by A is A square. A multiplied by B is AB. Okay, you are getting this one. You will write the same thing under dividend. A square plus AB, and this A will come on the top. The third step is subtraction. In subtraction, what we do, subtraction of, in algebra means subtraction of polynomials. Subtraction, we change the sign. So in division, we will at the end, we will take subtraction. Subtraction means we are going to change the signs. Suppose this is A has plus sign. I'm going to change the sign. I'm going to change the sign. Now I will consider the new sign. This is new sign. Old one, I will not take it. If I see, I can see this has plus sign, this has plus sign, and this has minus sign. Both are like terms but have different signs. What I do, I will cancel it. Then I will come to this one. Plus 2AB minus AB. The process will be done subtraction, but the first term has two, bigger number has plus sign. I will take plus sign with it, A plus AB and B square. This is the first stage, and the second stage now starting. This is called.
Ma'am, can you explain the
I will
first stage again?
stage again. Okay, stage 2 is this one. I'll explain. For the first stage, I have to first I must keep in my mind that which one is divisor, dividend, quotient, and remainder. Done. After that, I will take the first term inside, first term outside. Inside, always keep it in your mind. Always it will be a big term or big number. If there is a number, it will be a big number. But here we have term. We are dealing with algebra, so this is big term. A square. A square, take out it. Take this one and divide, because we are dividing. When we divide in division, what we do, we subtract the exponents, subtract the powers, or in other words, we cancel. A1 here is cancelled by A square. You get only A1. A1, if we write A power 1 or write A, it has the same meaning. Now take this A right here and take the full outside term, full expression, not terms. With two terms, full side expression, and divide by this A. Multiply by this A. Multiply by this A. Now multiply. First you will divide. In the second step you will multiply. In the third step you will subtract. First step is divide the first term inside, first term outside. Inside term will come on the top, outside term will come down. Okay, you will cancel. When you cancel this, you get this A. Take this A or any answer, multiply by the divisor. Multiply by the divisor, full divisor, all terms. Okay, when you multiply A by A, you get A square. When you multiply A by B, you get AB. Okay, when you get this answer, it means the answer by multiplication, write directly here under the dividend, under this. Fine. When you write this, after that you will use subtraction. In subtraction, signs we change the signs in algebra. So we are dealing with polynomials algebra, we will change the sign. If this has plus sign, it will change into negative sign. This has also plus sign, it will change into negative sign. If both two terms are like terms and they have opposite sign, we cancel it. Yes. And what about this A? A will come here. The answer will come here under dividend, and this A will come as a quotient.
Okay, ma'am, I
Okay,
understood.
now do you understand? Now see this
Yes,
again.
ma'am.
This A is going to be the part of the quotient. This the answer after getting multiplication, after doing multiplication, we are getting the answer, we will write here under dividend. What about divisor? Divisor will stay as a divisor. Now stage 2, we will repeat the same steps. The first step is we will take, now first step I'm erasing here. We are dealing with division. So first I have to see which is the first term in the second stage. First term is AB, and as a divisor it is A. What I have to do, I will write A, B. Fine, because inside first term will come on the top, outside first term will come down, just like before we have done. Now cancel this, you get B. Okay, now write the divisor. How many terms are there? Two terms. Multiply by this B. We are getting AB plus B square. Okay, then after that we have to write AB plus B square under this, the same AB plus B square. Then we will use subtraction. Now subtraction, we change signs. When we change signs, we are getting answer 0, and this is called remainder. What about this B? B will come, it has plus sign, it will come with the plus sign with A, means it is changed. This is the quotient. Now quotient is the answer. Answer is A plus B. This is our answer. Okay, any question, girls? Any question?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Now moving to the next part. For the next part, a square minus 2ab plus b square divided by a minus b. I'm going to write a here. A minus b, a square 2ab plus b square. Stage 1, step 1. Take a square, a, that is a. Step 2, write the divisor, multiply by this a. This is a square minus ab. Now, this a square minus ab will come under dividend and a will come on the top. The third step is subtraction. Plus. Cancellation. Now minus and plus. This is the minus sign and it has this plus sign. What I have to do, I will do subtraction with minus sign plus b square. Now again, this is stage 1. Stage 1. And this is stage 2. Stage 1, we have the first term minus a, b. I will divide by a. I'm getting minus b answer. Now multiply a divisor, all terms with this b. Multiply, this is minus ab plus b square. Okay, now this is a minus b. Now what we have to do, I will write a minus b here, b square. B will come with minus sign here. I will change the sign, subtraction. Subtraction I'm doing. And here I am getting answer 0 remainder as a remainder. This is division. Okay, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.